Alright, let's turn into this thing. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. We are finally working on the Roadster. I know I've been saying that for a while now. Life kept getting in the way. Rat rod broke a few times, so I had to fix that. Haven't had the space in my garage to work on it, but now I'm able to throw some time at it. I got the rat rod out for the time being, and we can actually get some decent amount of work done on this. So today we are going to be cleaning out that mess that's inside of there. And then after that, I'm going to be pulling the body off the chassis, and we're going to be setting it down right here, right where I'm standing. And then we will start doing some metal work, some rust repair, capping off where they chopped off the coupe roof off of it and made it into a Roadster, since this isn't technically a Roadster car. But yeah, let's get after it. All right, let's turn into this thing. Well, that's not supposed to happen. I guess you don't need doors where we're going. Alright, so we got the majority of the mess cleaned out of there. The guy I got this from started building it with his son. As you can see, not the greatest of work here, but it's something to start with, and we can definitely build off what we got here. Oh yeah, windshield frame. Guess we can add that to our pile of parts that was sitting in it. Oh yeah, and then factory 30 dash. That's out of like a 35, 36. But anyways, we got ourselves a Ford 9-inch, and it's on some coilovers. Haven't decided if I'm gonna bag this yet. I really want to, but I just don't know if I'm going to yet. We'll see. I mean, we got the room. I mean, you can't really go much lower because of that transmission cross member. But I'm sure we can figure something out to get that up a little bit higher. Probably have to raise the engine, which obviously you guys know I'm not opposed to having an engine block my sight. So we'll see what we can get going here. But next I'm gonna see if I can pull this body off this chassis. That I'm gonna try to do myself in this garage. No help. Well, stay tuned. Nice. This thing wasn't even bolted down. It's just set there. All right. I didn't really have faith with 2 3/8 bolts, but oh yeah, gotta unbolt the column. The column is stationary, and it's affixed to the steering box, and it's solid. It doesn't move. That's going to be my next feat. Just trying to lift that body up over that column. Yeah, it's going to be fun. Oh, nice. It's got a steering joint. I thought it was fixed to it. So weak. No, that's not that big of a worry. Well, I didn't think that would hurt. That's just sitting there too. Sick. Okay. I'm gonna have to get this column off. Of course. Oh, never mind. Huh. It worked. I thought it was going to be rusted on there. Alright. Maybe if I'm lucky, this door will come off too. Bingo! Ow. Bingo! Alright, we're gonna have to move you out of the way. Move my 2 biggest fans out of the way. Hold on. Hold on. Gotta disconnect starter solenoid and oil pressure gauge. Right. Okay. Now oil pressure gauge. Excuse me, dog. Now, surprisingly, everything on this so far hasn't been completely rusted. How's that hose on? Oh, this bolt. Oh. Nice. Broke that weld. I don't know if we're gonna keep that or not. Probably not. I like building dashes. Maybe we'll do something, some fancy metal work, build a complete full metal V-rolled interior. Yeah, that sounds good. Gross. Alright. Oh. Am I strong enough? Can I do this? That takes off some weight. I don't want to ruin this trunk. It's actually in really good shape. Okay? I mean, with every tug and pull, we're getting some weight savings here. There's that one. Almost strong enough. Just need to get it over that clutch pedal. Can't really. I'll switch arms. There we go. That's how you take a Model A body off. Man. Perseverance. Alright, so now that we have our hernia, this is what we're left with. We got firewall, cowl, quarters, trunk panel, whatever panel that you call that. And we got our chassis here. So now you guys can see we got our Ford 9-inch drum brakes. Possibly has everything in it. Dog right there. We got some coilovers that are stiff as hell. Okay, that's good. But yeah, so here's what we're working with now. Got our chassis and everything. We're gonna have to change up this steering because you can turn right all you want, but you see here, you get this baby stroller out of the way. Once you start turning left, this tire runs right into that. So we're either gonna have to change our setup down here, try to move it in, or we're gonna have to put a little dog leg for clearance on that tire. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But yeah, so here we are. Got the body off. Next thing I'm gonna do is square this thing up and start repairing some of this shit. These quarters have seen better days. I got some replacement upper quarter pieces right here. Well, at least one. I thought I had two. Oh yeah, the second one's right there. But cut these out, put the new ones in, and then we'll square this whole body up and start plugging away on it. But that's it for this episode. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Comment what you guys want to see. You guys aren't really commenting that much. So I just want to know what kind of content you guys want to see out of me. If you guys want to get down to the nitty gritty or the technical, or you just want to see time lapses, I don't know. You guys tell me what you guys prefer. and I'll see what I can do to accommodate your needs. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky.